हाय माय नेम इज़ पंकज अग्रवाल। आज हम बहुत बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पे एक क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं बेस्ड ऑन आइडेंटिटीज। हैव ए लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन। ऑब्वियसली देख के ऐसा लगेगा कि मे बी वी कैन कैलकुलेट इट एंड फाइंड द आंसर, बट द कैलकुलेशन विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, मीन्स इट विल बी cumbersome. So to avoid that, what can we do? Maybe we can pair them up. How can we pair them up? Let's see. We are pairing the largest with the smallest. 31 into 28 and the rest plus 1. Now 31 into 28, you can easily find out 28 into 31. So it is 840 plus 28. So it comes to be square root of 868 into, obviously 29 into 3 is 87, so 870. Now some of you might be thinking, I'm just doing the calculation. Yes, I'm doing the calculation, but I'll not multiply them and add 1. In fact, I'll be writing it this way. This can be treated as 869 minus 1. This can be treated as 869 plus 1 plus 1. Now, have a look at this. A minus b into a plus b, what is that? A square minus b square, right? So this will come to be 869 whole square minus 1 square plus 1, which is equal to square root of 869 square, which is 869. Now, in this question, can we generalize it? Or is it just a coincidence that we got an integer answer? In fact, I'll give you that you try this. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 plus 1. If I can show that for every positive integer, or in fact for every integer, if this comes to be an integer, we are done. You try to prove it yourself. Thank you.